Hello students, I hope everyone is fit and fine at their home, enjoying their lockdown time and of course getting perfectly well on with their studies. I am Madhut Jain and today we are going to start with embark upon a new chapter of Vistas, the chapter number 6, that is On the Face of It. On the Face of It is a very interesting chapter. It kind of encourages you, inspires you, motivates you to change the outlook, to change your approach towards life. This chapter has two characters. One is Mr. Lamb and second is Derry. Mr. Lamb is an old guy who has an artificial leg. He has lost his leg and that is why he has built an artificial leg for his daily routine. And there's another guy, Derry. He is like a 14-year-old guy who is very negative, very down, very low in his life. He does not feel secure, he does not feel confident, he does not feel like being an extrovert in his life. He is succumbed with inferiority complex. Konsa complex? Inferiority complex. There where someone feels inferior, below, subpar, subordinate in comparison of the other person, where he thinks that other person is superior and just because I don't look good, I am inferior. And why does not he look good? Because half of his face, half the face of Derry has been burnt. आधा फेस उसका जो है वो जला हुआ है इस वजह से उसके मन में इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स है. और उसके अपोजिट में मिस्टर लैम्ब है जिनका आउटलुक, जिनका अप्रोच, जिनका एटीट्यूड, जिनका बिहेवियर इज क्वाइट पॉजिटिव, इज क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंट, वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, very outward, extrovert kind of personality he has. So both of these guys, both of these characters are interacting with each other, communicating with each other, and how one's behavior changes, modifies the behavior of another person, we are going to discuss in this chapter. This is also important in a moral point of view from your life as well. जिनको अपने looks के बारे में या अपने physical appearance के बारे में confidence नहीं है, who those who feel low about it, those who feel down towards about it, they can also get inspiration from this. That your physical appearance does not matter as much as your inner appearance, your heart, your spirit, your soul, your mind. That is what is of essence. So this entire chapter talks about how on the face of it means जो फेस पे आउटवर्ड फिजिकल अपीयरेंस है उसके अलावा व्हाट इंटरनली गोज ऑन इन योर हार्ट, इन योर स्पिरिट, दैट इज ऑफ द utmost significance, utmost vitality, utmost crucial thing in the world. So we are going to start in your Vistas book on chapter number 6, page number 56. Before you read, we must go through this. This is a play. Now this is a play. हमने play last time interview में पढ़ा था. And luckily interview जो है आपके course में से crash हो चुका है, उसको cancel out कर दिया गया है for your 2021 exam. But this play is going to be a part of your school syllabus, your 12th board syllabus. So this is a play featuring an old man and a small boy meeting in the farmer's garden. Farmer मतलब जो पहले mentioned है sentence में. कौन mentioned है? Old man mentioned है. तो old man's garden they are meeting. The old man strikes up a friendship, hits up a friendship, he starts a friendship, he initiates a friendship, he originates a friendship with the boy who is very withdrawn and defiant. Defiant means who is very resistant, who is very averted, who is very repulsive, जो उसमें से engage नहीं होना चाहता है, वो old man से engage नहीं होना चाहता है. He is very withdrawn, he is very insecure, he is very asocial person kind of thing. What is that bond that unites the two? अब ये कौन सा connection है, कौन सा network है, कौन सा स्ट्रिंग है जो उन दोनों को अटैच करता है? हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू कम्युनिकेट? इज द फ्रेंडशिप गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू? व्हाट विल हैपन टू बोथ ऑफ दीज कैरेक्टर्स? वी विल बी गोइंग टू नो, गेटिंग टू नो इन दिस चैप्टर. पे अटेंशन, जहाँ जहाँ मैं बोलूँ वहाँ वहाँ अंडरलाइन करके उस वर्ड को मार्क करेंगे, सिलेबस सिनोनिम्स लिखेंगे. And we will also discuss some key points, question answers, all the explanation, word to word explanation. Be ready. Scene 1. Scene 1, utmost important, very important. Let's see what happens. Mr. Lamb's garden. The setting is set up in Mr. Lamb's garden. The entire scenario, entire scene is of Mr. Lamb's garden. There's the occasional sound of bird song. Of course, in the garden, there will be trees, there will be plants, there will be lot of flora. And birds are singing on the branches. They are sitting on the branches and of tree leaves Rustling. Rustling is a sound, it's a mild, low sound made by leaves when they move. When they make a movement, the kind of sound, the kind of noise they produce is called rustling. Derry's footsteps are heard as he walks slowly and tentatively. Tentatively means what? He lacks some sort of confidence. He lacks some sort of security. He is not very sure if he should go into the garden or not. So he is walking. His footsteps are heard as he walks very slowly, very gradually, very gingerly and tentatively. Of course, he is lacking confidence. उसको डर लग रहा है. उसके मन में एक तरह का uncertainty है, hesitation है, apprehension है. Through the long grass. Of course, there was long grass in the garden. Gardens are meant to be like that. They are lush, they are green, they are fresh. He pauses, then walks on. Again, he pauses, he waits for some while, and then he continues his strolling, he continues his walking. He comes around a screen of bushes. He comes around a screen of bushes, a collection of bushes where lots and lots of bushes are there, shrubs are there, plants are there. So that when Mr. Lamb speaks to him, he is close at hand and Derry is startled. He is shocked when suddenly Mr. Lamb speaks to him. He gets startled, of course. कोई अचानक से आपको स्प्रिंग अप कर देता है, आपको बुला देता है, आपको आवाज़ लगाता है, तो you also get startled. He was not prepared for it. He suddenly got amazed. He suddenly got shocked, surprised, taken aback. Mr. Lamb, mind the apples. Now Mr. Lamb is initiating the conversation. Mind the apples. Of course, now you will not be able to get confused. आपको confusion नहीं होगा कि ये dialogue किसने बोला है, ये dialogue किसने बोला है. यहाँ पर specifically क्योंकि ये play है, that is why specific dialogues have been mentioned. तो Mr. Lamb is saying, mind the apples, take care of the apples. Apples जो हैं वो garden में नीचे गिरे हुए हैं. The apples have fallen down from their trees and they are lying on the ground or lying on the grass, and that is why Mr. Lamb is alerting him. He is making the boy, the teenager, the guy Derry, उसको alert कर रहे हैं कि भाई beware of apples. आप apples का ध्यान रखो. Derry is startled. Of course, he was not expecting someone to be there. He thought that I would be all alone in the garden. मुझे नहीं पता था कि वहाँ कोई होने वाला है. तो he says, what? Who's that? Who's there? Of course, he's startled, and those were the response to the stimuli. हमने बचपन में पढ़ा था in the science section, response to stimuli. When someone attacks you, the response you get is the response to stimuli. So his reaction was, who's there? What is that? Who's there? Mr. Lamb said, Lamb's my name. Mind the apple. Crab apples those are. Crab apple are the type of apple. Apple की एक प्रकार होती है, एक प्रजाति, एक species होती है. Wind falls in the long grass. You could trip. तुम वहाँ पे लड़खड़ा के गिर सकते हो. You could stumble over there. You could stumble on the ground, on the grass. So you should mind when you are walking in the grass. When wind comes, they get fallen on the ground because of the wind, because of the strong wind. Derry बोलता है, Derry response is, I thought this was an empty place. I didn't know there was anybody here. ... ये ... is the significance or the indication of his low confidence. कोई रुक के अटक के फंबल करके कौन बोलता है जिसके मन में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है. A person who is very confident, very straightforward, very determined कि मुझे मेरे thoughts जो है वो बाहर निकालने हैं, तो he will be speaking in such a good fluency. आपको जब मैं क्लास के सामने खड़ा करके बोलता हूँ कि इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन 10 sentences, you are not going to do that because of the lack of confidence. You fumble. Even though you know millions of sentences about yourself, but still those 10 sentences won't come out of your mouth because of the lack of confidence. You fumble, you stutter, and that is because there was no confidence. You feel insecure, you feel anxious, you feel worried over there that someone would judge me, someone would comment on me. That was the same complex, inferiority complex that Derry had. Mr. Lamb responds, that's all right, I'm here. What are you afraid of, boy? That's all right. Mr. Lamb was very gregarious person. Gregarious मतलब जो बहुत outward होता है, बहुत social होता है, बहुत extrovert होता है, जिसको मिलना जुलना, mingle करना, meddle करना बहुत पसंद होता है. A very friendly, amicable, generous nature he had. He used to mingle with everyone. His perspective, his conception, his perception, his comprehension of life was very very different, very very contrasting with that of Derry. Derry के दिमाग में लाइफ को लेके जो पर्सपेक्टिव था, जो थॉट्स थे, जो व्यूज़ थे, उनके एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट व्यू मिस्टर लैम्ब के थे, मिस्टर लैम्ब के थे. तो मिस्टर लैम्ब ने बोला इट्स ऑल राइट. ही मेड हिम श्योर दैट काम डाउन, डोंट नीड टू फ्रीक आउट, डोंट नीड टू बी अफ्रेड, डोंट नीड टू बी स्कैर्ड ऑफ एनीथिंग. It's just me. I'm Mr. Lamb. Don't need to be worried. I'm here. What are you afraid of? That's all right. It's going to be okay. Don't freak out. ज़्यादा चिल्लाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ज़्यादा freak out करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I am here. Don't worry. Derry, I thought it was empty. Again, dot dot dot, an empty house. I thought this was an empty house. I did not expect anyone to be here. उसको लगा कि ये vacant है, यहाँ पे no one is going to occupy this place. And that is why he entered the garden. इसका मतलब ये है that Derry is actually scared of being around people. His half of his face is burnt. Half of his face is burnt, so he fears the company of people. He feels insecure around another people, around the crowd, around different people. So that is why he thought कि यहाँ पर एकांत है. No one is going to be here. No one is going to make fun of me, or no one is going to get scared of me, and that is why he was searching for a vacant place, an empty place. But unfortunately, yeah, fortunately, he found Mr. Lamb's place and he stayed over there. So it is, since I'm out here in the garden, it is empty. तो उन्होंने मजाक किया, मिस्टर लैम ने मजाक किया, तो घर तो अभी भी empty ही है क्योंकि मैं बाहर आ गया. I have come outside my home in the garden. तो of course the house is still empty. It is empty until I go back inside. जब तक मैं बाहर हूँ तब तक house empty रहेगा, और जब मैं वापस अंदर जाऊँगा the house will get occupied by my presence. In the meantime, I'm out here and likely to stop. A day like this, beautiful day, not a day to be indoors. Then he comes out, he says that अब तो मैं यहाँ बाहर हूँ और कुछ टाइम तक तो मैं बाहर ही रहने वाला हूँ, मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता बाहर रहने से. Why? Because see what a beautiful day. The weather is so nice, not a day to be indoors. ये ऐसा दिन है, the beauty of this day, the weather of this day, the aura of this day is so nice, so pleasant, so delightful, so happy, so gay that I cannot stay inside. ऐसे मौसम में, ऐसे दिन में तो हमें बाहर ही रहना चाहिए. It's a day to be outdoors, not to be indoors. Derry ब्रैकेट में लिखा है पैनिक, आई हैव गॉट टू गो. ही गेट्स पैनिक्ड. ही इज नॉट यूज्ड टू पीपल corresponding with him, communicating with him, talking to him, and that is why Derry says he is in a state of fear, he is in a state of panic. और वो बोलता है आई हैव गॉट टू गो, मुझे जाना है यहाँ से. मिस्टर लैम्ब बोलते हैं नॉट ऑन माई अकाउंट, आई डोंट माइंड हु कम्स इन टू द गार्डन. मिस्टर लैम्ब बोलते हैं नॉट ऑन माई अकाउंट मीन्स आई एम रियली होपिंग दैट तुम मेरी वजह से ये घर छोड़ के नहीं जा रहे हो, ये गार्डन छोड़ के नहीं जा रहे हो. Don't go out, don't go away just because of me. अगर तुम्हें जाना है तो जाओ, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट सिर्फ तुम मेरी प्रेजेंस के वजह से तुम जा रहे हो, दैट इज नॉट गुड. प्लीज स्टॉप, please stay. I don't mind who comes into the garden. Again, Mr. Lamb's amiable, cordial, genial, friendly tone, friendly attitude has been showed in this line. इससे हमें पता चलता है Mr. Lamb was a very social, gregarious person at heart. He liked the company of people, but on the contrary, Derry को किसी भी people की company पसंद नहीं थी. He did not like company of people. He wanted to be left alone. He wanted to be peaceful at his own presence. He did not like the company or affinity or relationship with other people. I don't mind who comes into the garden. The gate's always open. Only you climb the garden wall. उसने बोला कि देखो गेट जो है गार्डन के, I always keep them open. I always keep them open because I welcome everyone. सब मेरे गार्डन में वेलकम है. I don't mind if anyone comes to my garden, picks anything or goes away. I just want कि सब मेरे गार्डन में वेलकम है. I accept them, I receive them with an open heart, and that was the viewpoint, that was the perspective of Mr. Lamb. और तुमने ही दीवार को छलांग लगा के मेरे गार्डन में एंट्री की है. You could have come from the door, but you did not. You came from climbing the garden wall. Derry said angrily. He freaked out. उसको गुस्सा आ गया. He got baffled. He got bewildered, and he said, "You were watching me. तुम मुझे देख रहे थे. You were watching my movements. Whatever I was doing in the garden, you were watching me. That's creepy." So Mr. Lamb said, "I saw you, but the gate's open. All welcome. You're welcome. I sit here. I like sitting." Now see, he's such a happy-go-lucky guy. He's such an open-hearted guy. Such a gregarious guy. वो उससे communication कर रहा है. Even though the tone of Derry is not friendly, he is angry, he is bewildered, he is baffled, he is not responding in an amicable tone. But on the opposite side, Mr. Lamb is being extra friendly, he is being extra generous. उनका ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं कि मैं इसको कैंडी देके चॉकलेट्स देके अपने घर में बुलाऊंगा, इसको किडनैप कर लूंगा, and then I will ask for ransom with his parents, from his parents. That's not his plan at all. He is just a jolly guy. He's just an amazingly big-hearted guy, a big-hearted fellow, and that is why he's saying, "See, I sit here, I like sitting." He's making a very friendly conversation, a very light-hearted conversation, light conversation. Derry, I did not come to steal anything. Ab Derry is defending himself. He's putting forward a reason that I did not come here to steal anything. Don't get mad at me or don't think low of me. I did not come here to steal anything. मैं यहाँ कोई चोरी करने नहीं आया हूँ. No, no, the young lad steal, scrump the apples, you're not so young. उसने बोला कि the young lads, जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, 5-7 साल के, 10 साल के बच्चे जो हैं, वो यहाँ आके चोरी करते हैं. जो scrump the apples. Scrump the apple means they steal the apples. They just rob the apples from my garden and they go away, and you are not so young. तुम इतने छोटे नहीं लगते हो कि तुम apples की चोरी करोगे. You are not so young. The young guys, the young children come here to steal. You don't seem like someone who would steal from my garden. ऐसा assurance दिया Mr. Lamb ने. Derry said, "I just," again dots, "wanted to come into the garden." Mr. Lamb said, "So you did. Here we are. Then, yeah, तुम गार्डन में आना चाहते थे, तुम आए, और अब हम दोनों यहाँ इस गार्डन में हैं. You don't know who I am." His tone, can you sense, can you guess the level of tone, the level of what we can say, the angriness that is built up in the heart of Derry? He's not even responding in a very friendly manner. He's like, "You don't know who I am." So Mr. Lamb said, "You're a boy, 13 or so." So Derry connected him, 14, "But I have got to go now. Goodbye." He said, "Ab mujhe jana hai." Why did he speak so? Why did he say so? Because he is not used to people corresponding with him. He is not used to people communicate with him. He is not habitual of being in a company of a stranger. उसको अपने friends पसंद नहीं आते हैं, अपने relatives, अपने family members पसंद नहीं आते हैं, तो of course he would feel uncomfortable, uneasy around a stranger. Why? Because of his face. He has a burnt face. 14 or so हो गया. "Nothing to be afraid of, just a garden, just me." Again, Mr. Lamb assured him, "You don't need to be scared of anything. You don't need to be afraid of anything. It's just me and you. Nothing to be afraid of." "But I'm not afraid." "People are afraid of me." Underline karo. It's a very important line in viewpoint of Derry. He has this concept, he has this understanding, he has this notion in his mind, imprinted in his mind, that people are afraid of him because of his appearance, because of his physically challenged appearance. That is why he thinks that मैं किसी से नहीं डरता, I am not afraid of anyone, but people are afraid of me because I look very ugly, I look in a very bad manner. That is why he thinks in the same way. Why should that be? Why should that be? Mr. Lamb says, and Derry said, "Everyone is. It doesn't matter who they are or what they say or how they look, how they pretend." Pretend को इन्होंने italic में डाल रखा है, उसका font change कर रखा है. "I know, I can see." See, he says that लोग pretend करते हैं कि वो मुझसे नहीं डरते हैं. They don't think that I know they are afraid of me. They are fearful of me. They are scared of me. But I know, in my heart, in my mind, I know that they are scared of me. वो ऐसे जताते हैं, वो ऐसा pretense करते हैं, वो ऐसा fake करते हैं कि वो मुझसे नहीं डरते हैं. But that's not the truth. The truth is, everyone is scared of me. Why? Because of my appearance, because of my bad face, because of my ugly face. That's the perspective of Derry. It doesn't matter who they are. वो नहीं मैटर करता कि what they are, who they are. वो मेरे friends भी हैं, relatives भी हैं, family members भी हैं, and that doesn't matter. How they pretend, I know, I can see. See what? Mr. Lamb is acting so innocent. तुम क्या देखते हो? क्या समझते हो? क्या देखते हो? What they think. And what do they think then? Mr. Lamb पूछता है, अच्छा बताओ, मुझे बताओ कि वो क्या सोचते हैं? You think here's a boy. मतलब अब वो दूसरों का पर्सपेक्टिव समझा रहा है. वो बता रहा है कि वो लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि देखो ये एक लड़का है, here's a boy. You look at me and then you see my face and you think that is bad. They think, you think, normal people think, the people of the world think, the people around me think, क्या think? That's a bad, that's a terrible thing, that's the ugliest thing I ever saw. You think, poor boy, but I am not. उसके अकॉर्डिंग, टेरी के अकॉर्डिंग, वो अपने अराउंड जितना भी कंपनी है या जितने भी पीपल हैं उनके लिए सोचता है that they think really bad of me. They think that my face is ugly. They think that I'm a poor thing. उनको मुझ पे दया आती है. They feel pity on me. They feel that I deserve better. Yeah, I'm a very poor child because something bad, something fortunate happened to me, and that is why they think poor boy. But I am not. I am not poor. I am not the way they think they are. Not poor. Underneath you are afraid. Anybody's would be. I am. When I look in the mirror and see it, I am afraid of. मैं वो बोलता है afraid तो कोई भी होगा. Even when I see myself in front of the mirror, I am afraid of myself. तो मैं जब खुद से डरा हुआ हूँ, तो it is very natural, it is very common, it is very general, it is very normal that someone else also would be afraid of me. Someone also would be afraid of me. Okay, got it? आज के लिए इतना ही रखेंगे. We will continue with the rest of the chapter in the next session. We will also discuss few of the question answers that we can improvise from this section of this content that we have read. And until then, take care of yourself and your family. I will see you in the next session. Bye guys.